how to fix BlockBlast update problem. So if you're having issues with BlockBlast, for example, it says that you have the most up-to-date version, but once you enter classic mode, your UI doesn't look like other people's. So here's what you want to do. You want to exit BlockBlast and completely close it. Then we have to completely remove the game. So press and hold on to it, and then you will select remove app, and then you will click on delete app, the red button. After you have done this, we will go into the App Store and just search for BlockBlast. So here we just want to search for BlockBlast, just like that, and you will reinstall the application. So you want to click on BlockBlast, and here you will select install. Now for me, as you can see, it says update, so I'm just going to click on update and wait for the process, and this should make you solve the update problems in BlockBlast. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.